If you want to mirror a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to mirror in CapCut video in just a few simple clicks. This is a great edit if you want to flip a clip for a different look, create a mirrored effect, or fix the direction of footage for your project. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and load the project that contains the video clip you want to edit. Once your timeline is visible, look for the clip that you want to mirror. Click on that video clip so it becomes selected. You'll usually see it highlighted in the timeline, which tells you CapCut is ready to edit that specific clip. Now, with the clip selected, look for the icon that shows triangles separated by arrows. This is the button you need for the mirror option. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may appear in the editing toolbar or in the side options menu after selecting the clip. Click that triangle separated by arrows icon and a set of flip or mirror options will appear. From there, choose Mirror. Once you click Mirror, CapCut will instantly flip the selected clip, giving you the mirrored effect you want. You can preview the result right away to make sure it looks correct. If it's not the direction you wanted, you can always click the same option again, or try the opposite flip setting if available. This is especially useful for improving composition, creating symmetry, or just experimenting with a different visual style. And that's really all there is to it. Select the clip in the timeline, click the triangle separated by arrows icon, and then click Mirror. In just a few seconds, your video will be mirrored inside CapCut without needing any advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.